Gagawa po tayo ng special garlic bread with tomato. Ayan guys. Sarap ito guys. Ayan, lagyan natin ng parsley guys. Para lalong sumarap yung niluluto natin. My favorite. Garlic bread with onion. With tomato. Sarili kong menu guys. Oo. Sarili kong yes, I love it. I love it na guys. Okay, ayan na po siya. Okay, thank you for watching.